Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two electric shavers that are sure to give you the smoothest shave ever. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 3800, and on the right, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade. It's time to put these shavers to the test and see which one comes out on top. Let the battle begin. When it comes to the shaving experience, both shavers have their unique features. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 boasts 5-directional pivot, flex, and floating movements, ensuring a clean shave that follows your face's contours. It even adjusts to the curves of your face and neck, creating smooth contact with your skin. On the other hand, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade features a 7D floating shaving head. Yes, you heard it right. 7D, this ergonomic design increases the shaving area and saves shaving time. Plus, its double blade and double protective net provide precise and safe shaving. Now let's talk about those extra features that make these shavers stand out. With the Philips Norelco Shaver 3800, you get a convenient dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam. Even in the shower, it also comes with ComfortCut blades that gently cut hair just above skin level, ensuring a clean and comfortable shave. On the other side, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is a true multitasker. It's not just a shaver, folks. This bad boy includes a hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, cleansing brush, sideburn trimmer, and even hair trimmer combs of different lengths. It's like having a whole grooming kit in one. Now let's talk about something we all hate: running out of battery mid-shave. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 has got you covered with its powerful Li-ion battery. You can shave for up to 60 minutes on a 1-hour charge. That's about 20 shaves, and if you're in a rush, a 5-minute quick charge gives you enough power for one shave. Cordless convenience at its finest. But wait, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade has an impressive battery life too. With a 2-hour fast charge, you get a whopping 60 minutes of working time. No more worrying about your shaver dying on you. Plus, the LED intelligent display accurately shows the battery percentage, so you'll always know when it's time to charge. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 comes in at $79. It's a great investment for a trusted and fast-growing electric grooming brand. On the other hand, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is priced at $73. It offers a 5-in-1 professional grooming kit at a slightly lower price point. Overall, the reviews for both shavers are positive, with customers praising their performance and features. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 is highly recommended for its shaving experience, comfort, and durability. On the other hand, the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade receives praise for its innovative design, battery life, and multifunctionality. It's clear that both shavers have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And there you have it, folks. The battle of the electric shavers is over, but the decision is yours to make. Do you prefer the precision and comfort of the Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 or the versatility and multifunctionality of the Wyclaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade? Let us know in the comments below which one you would choose. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Stay smart and happy shopping!